Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, and welcome to my channel. Hi, Bo. I came across this video. We mapepanda. Okay, I'm following everyone, man. I'm trying. Go-Gos Koteni was addressing Ukoma Wendy, telling her ukuthi nakamsabi, telling her ukuthi if kuguti yena uyazizwa and uyinyanga impela and then uya lawyer or whatever it might be. This is also yazi enye into ephinda sometimes ngenze ngiphinde ngiquestion lezi angifuni ke ningiprovele ningamprovele ngami bese nizogaga mina emancane angeni mina futhi entweni zeni, but ephinde ngenze ukuthi ngibe like hey, lezi zinye izinto mara nazo yizo zangempela because uyasho kuGogo lona. Even when I was listening to her I was like yazi lento let's just manje labantu ngathi nabo sebezama nje ukuyikhandela ibeef yabo njengo Casper no aka labo bayikhandela nje ibeef yabo ukuthi kube into ezobaphusha ama product wabo or whatever lento abayenzayo, but I respect both of them. Yes, because anginasikhathi isamagudugudu phekwe ebusuku mina futhi ke besides mabe kuduza ebusuku into abazokuduza ikuzobe ibhlungu inyawo because mina mangilele I'm dead. I wake up only in the morning. That's me. Into ngisho ngithena angikwazi ukuthi guys because la this one is brand new angiyabona le khala amafutha lengane ngapalithe and angenzanga i-surgery no benyo cover fake i-nose ring yeah, so uyamtshela ukuthi if kukuthi yena uyasithemba and uthi yena uyasebenza oyinyanga oyisangoma akahamba amngenele entombeni, of which that's exactly what I want. Umuntu ngempela maye lokho ekhuluma mina angifuni yazi vele umuntu lokho ekhuluma yenza nje into iphele ukubonakala uthi proof ukuthi hayi cha into yakho. I'm not doubting her, I'm not doubting what she does or whatever, but what ulentuzana Koteni said, it's very like yeah, and umtshele vele kwathi ucela ukuthi angamget used to angamjwayeli because ngathi uthi yena ubhore lento ukuthi ukhuluma ngayo kuma interviews. Honestly speaking, I've once seen interview kuma no Musa. She honestly avoided talking about her. I will not lie to you. So I do not know the interview akhulume ngayo kuyo, but into I should. And then next thing ngabona enye video from amaphephandaba eshoyo amaphephandaba funny so imaphephandaba issue ukuthi bathi abakhozi ukukuma when was responding esho ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi nifuna uqeda ngami and angeke niqede ngami. Guys, I hope nalento yomngoma guys into eserious andlali because yabona uGogo lo mayisethi prove labantu ukuthi vele wena unyanga empela. We want to see that. Cela uprove ngayo. Cela uprove ngayo if kuthi umisa 6 feet, thatha umisa 6 feet. Go-Gos Koteni Mrs. 6 feet ngala makhathakhatha umuthi angazi ke mawusi ugogo lentuzana 6 feet ukuthi bazokwenza njani uQueen Loli because uQueen Loli khona izinto abayilandayo kulentuzana allegedly khona izinto abayilandayo washo yena azangisho mina mayikhuluma ngingane yami. Okay, angazi ke ukuthi nisenza njani, but into engishoyo ube ne point ke lapho cha ube ne point vele ama beef amade nje angayindawo because bona abakwazi ukudisana abarephe abakwazi ukucula abatshana bona abangena endombeni qinisile la mama ngithi ngene endombeni nami ngene endombeni but she never said she's also going to go in indombe yakhe, but ulento angangena endombeni yakhe enze kwenzeke then thina sesiyoza sikubhaliwe kuma phephandaba futhi hayi uGogo Koteni usuwokhele hambile she walked ezinye vele ke nanje nayibona ukuthi asike nje izinto lokho ezi-arguisho noma zilwiwa azenzeke guys sidluleni kuzo. Yes.